In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the grid in Krita. If you've ever wanted cleaner layouts, straighter lines, or evenly spaced elements in your artwork, turning on the grid is a simple way to get there. The grid gives you a visual guide right on your canvas, which is especially helpful for typography, UI mockups, pixel art, comics, or any piece where alignment matters. First, open Krita. Once your workspace is ready and you've got a canvas open, we're going to bring the grid into view. The option you need lives right in the top menu bar. Look for the View menu. This is where Krita gathers all of the on-canvas visibility options, things like rulers, guides, and in our case, the grid. Inside the View menu, find the option labeled Show Grid and turn it on. The moment you enable it, you'll see a grid overlay appear across your canvas. Nothing about your artwork is being changed or altered. This is just a visual guide, and it doesn't get exported with your image. Think of it as a helpful layer that sits above your canvas while you work, so you can line things up and keep proportions consistent. As soon as the grid is visible, you're essentially done. You can start sketching, blocking out shapes, or placing elements with confidence, knowing you've got reference lines right in front of you. If you need to focus on details without the grid, simply go back to the View menu and toggle Show Grid off. It's quick to switch on and off as your workflow demands. A couple of tips to make the most of it. The appearance of the grid can vary based on your zoom level and theme, so don't be surprised if the lines look finer or thicker as you move in and out. Also, remember that the grid is just a guide. If you want objects to lock neatly to those lines as you move or draw, Krita has snapping options you can explore later. Many artists also use a keyboard shortcut to toggle the grid for faster access, which can be handy during rapid iterations. Finally, if you're working on projects that need specific measurements, like game assets or print layouts, Krita lets you customize grid spacing, subdivisions, and colors in its settings. You don't need that to get started today, but it's good to know you can fine-tune the grid to match your project's requirements. And that's it. Open Krita, go to View, turn on Show Grid, and you're ready to work with clean, precise guidance right on your canvas.